If you're starting your welding journey, listen to this advice. This is how I started. So the first thing is, you're not going to jump into welding. That's not what you do. Old school, obviously everything's changed now. We've got CNC machines, robots, everything else. But back in the day, when learning how to weld, you got given someone else's work to make look pretty. So the first job was to dress a job, take the grind marks out, polish everything up, take the weld down to where it needed to be. If it needed to be fully flush and polished in, you would learn that process. Also, with weld, you get penetration, and then you also get porosity. Penetration is obviously the heat that's went into the job, and porosity is holes of where you've had bits of dirt in the weld. It could look like Swiss cheese. So we had to drill them porosity holes out for a bigger hole to make clean metal, and then spot weld back in, grind back down and make flush. These are the jobs that you had to do before you got anywhere near a welder. Then it moved on to weld prep, so descaling mild steel, putting weld prep areas onto jobs that were getting welded, chamfers for your root welds and fillet welds to go into. That was the second stage, basically preparing the weld piece for welding. Then you move on to your welding, and then you learn how to weld, and after that you already knew how to prepare the weld and then dress the weld. So that's how I learned to do what I do in welding.